Welcome to Educational Channel. This video I will explain a simple maths project especially for primary children to understand the concept of decomposition of numbers. So see here, from 0 to 999 you take any number, how to decompose means converting into units, tens and hundreds, and using the digits how to frame the number. Using this model, how to explain to children and what is the use of this special of this project and how to make it. So I will explain you now. And for any material regarding the education from class 6 and above, providing link in the description below. At the same time you can see the name of the website on top, so you can go through it. Okay, let us see how to do this project and what's the use of this. So when you observe this project, this is 1, 2, 3. So 3 main circles and this fourth is the base. Every circle is divided into 10 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. So total 10, right? So sum of the angle in the circle is 360 degrees. 360 by 10 is 36 degree. So each part I have taken 36 degrees and just I connected with the screw, all this. And when you use this is especially for primary, we can use for primary children. For example, if you want to show them 783. Now here this is the hundreds, tens and units. So down is hundreds and this tens and units. So if you want to show 783, now at the number place, hundreds is 700. Next 80, tens is 80, right? Next it is 3. So just to make into till 3. That's it. Now 783. So any number, especially only for 0 to 999, we can use this. If you want to more digits, you can take one more circle also. Right? For example, 679. Just make the number to 600. 693. That means 90 and 3. 693. 693. So just easy to understand the concept of this decomposition of numbers like hundreds, tens, units. So we can use this project. Just connected with the 4 circles and exactly take the equal angle, means equal 36 degrees every part, accurately we get, you can show this. Okay, just connect with the screw, these 4 circles, right? We can use in this project in this. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understood well, and providing the link in description below for a number of other projects, not only this. So you can click on the link and go to the website. You can see the name of the website on top of the video also. You just go to that and you can find out the number of other videos. And class 6th to 12th, all the boards, ICSE, CBSE and state board, for all the subjects material we are providing freely in this website. You can go through it, and some material you need to choose and you can improve the knowledge more and more. And subscribe the channel because we upload only the videos which are related to education. So thank you very much.